NTT Docomo held its CEATEC preview yesterday with a lot of new mobile technologies on display. Now, one thing that they had was an assortment of smartphone jackets. Now, these were very interesting because they could measure a lot of data like UV light, body fat, bad breath, and this one, which was very interesting, it could measure gamma radiation. Now, of course, everyone knows about the nuclear disaster in Japan, and the sudden need for devices to measure uh, radiation levels in Japan. Now, this one is not going to be ready anytime soon, but it does look promising as an easy way for people to measure radiation data. Here's another application that Docomo was showing off. This is a food photo application. And now many of you will say, hey, there's already lots of these out there, but this one is interesting because it tracks your calorie intake. So what it does is it does image analysis on your food photos, and then it checks against a pre-existing database and gives you the calorie amount for a standard portion. Docomo was also talking about its environmental sensor network, and you can see here some displays of data on the computer screen. Now, Docomo has 2,500 environmental monitoring points set up nationwide, measuring wind speed, direction, humidity, pollen, rainfall. Now, they also had an AR service that can visualize all that data, and you can see that here on a tablet computer, which is pretty neat. Now, it'll show you that data for a number of different areas. Depending on where you point your mobile device, you can see the data in that direction. Here's another device that lets you check your hunger levels. This actually measures, it lets you blow into a tube and it checks for acetone, which is given off when you burn fat. So this application is designed to tell you the best time for eating and exercise. It analyzes fat burning, which is pretty cool.